How do you think he looks? I think he looks super handsome. What do you think, bud? Huh? I think you look great. Look at you. Steve the Rooster.
It's a great day to be alive. No sun still shining when I close my eyes. Listen, hard times in the neighborhood, but why can every day be just as good?
Hey guys, welcome back to Once Upon a Tiny Farm. My name's Drew. Today I want to give a little update on my rooster, Steve, which I did a video on not that long ago. And I was talking about this no-crow collar that I tried putting on around its neck to try to limit and discourage him from crowing so much, because he had been starting to crow at around 2 months old, and it was happening at like 5:30 in the morning, and I didn't want to cause issues with my neighbors, right? I'm in an urban area, and I heard about this no-crow collar, and I really wanted it to work because I really want to be able to keep a rooster in my flock, and that would allow me to be really, really self-sufficient going into the future. And it's a beautiful, beautiful bird. So today I just wanted to give a quick update on how we've been doing with the no-crow collar. So there is Steve. The collar is right there under those top brown feathers. And you can see he's still acting like a rooster. You can see it a little bit when he goes down to eat. So that's a good sign to me. Like, I really tightened that collar, and I think I found the sweet spot where he is still acting like a chicken. He is still eating. So obviously, if he's able to eat, that collar isn't too tight. And if he's able to eat, that means he's also able to breathe, and it's not too tight. So when I first put on the no-crow collar, I didn't put it, I thought I had it pretty tight, but he was also still growing, which he still might be, but he's probably at mostly his full size, I think, right now. So he was still crowing when I first put that collar on him, and I had to grab him and adjust the collar to get it to the sweet spot where I wasn't going to choke him too tight, but it was going to discourage him from crowing. And look, there's some bullying going on there. Stand up for yourself, Steve. So over the last week, since I tightened his collar and put it to the right spot and the right tightness, I haven't heard him crow at all. He hasn't even tried to crow. And at first I was a little concerned that I may have made this collar too tight, but as you can see, he is still acting like a chicken, and he's still eating, he's still breathing, and I think this collar is working, and I am very, very pleased. I think this collar is going to allow me to keep this rooster here in my flock in an urban setting, and that's great. And maybe this time next year, I'll be making videos on how we are hatching some fertilized eggs from our rooster, and we'll be able to, hatch our own eggs and maybe not have to buy chickens from a hatchery anymore, which would be fantastic. So I'm going to put a link to where I got this collar. There's also lots of videos that I saw after the fact of people who made their own collar. I got this collar from a company called My Pet Chicken. It's mypetchicken.com. They also sell chickens, chicken accessories, things like that. But oh my god, that's such a beautiful bird. I didn't want to get rid of this bird. So I'm so happy that this no-crow collar actually is, he's not crowing at all. He's very discouraged from crowing. Maybe he knows that that since I've put that on him and it's made him a little uncomfortable, he doesn't want to crow. And that's good. That's what I want to happen. So So yeah, no crow collar definitely works, and like I said, I'll put a link down below to where I got it. If you are interested and in a similar situation where you want to try and keep a rooster in an urban setting, I would definitely give this a try, because it seems it's only been about a week, but I haven't heard him crow at all, and I'm very, very pleased. Steve. Alright, so I got Steve here. I am going to try and I'm going to try, because he's been such a good boy, I want to give him this bow tie that connects to this collar. And I also, while I have him, I want to mark with this paint marker where exactly that I got this collar on him, because I don't want to forget for next time where that sweet spot was. To mark. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna mark so that if I take this off, there's this on, however. There you go. Easy enough. All right. How do you think he looks? I think he looks super handsome. What do you think, bud? Huh? I think you look great. Look at you. Steve the Rooster. Steve's gonna get all the ladies. Never Steve. How do you like your bow tie, Steve? Show everybody. You're gonna be showing off for all these ladies, huh? Let's see your bow tie. Strut your stuff, man. See, the ladies love it. They're already playing with it. Oh boy. Looking good, Steve. Looking good, man. All right, that's gonna wrap up this video talking about the no crow collar. I have to say, it works. It's been working. Since I started this video, and I said it's only been a week, it's now been about 3 weeks. I haven't heard any crows at all. He hasn't even tried. So it works, and that's why I got that bow tie. I wanted to make sure that that collar fit before I bought the bow tie, and it just straps on to the Velcro there. I think it looks cute. So there you have it. That's going to wrap up this video. If you're interested in the no crow collar for your rooster, I'll put a link below, and you can check that out for yourself. If you're in a similar situation like me, where you're surrounded by people that might want to complain about your rooster, but you want to keep your rooster, it's worth a shot. So check that out if you're interested. That's going to wrap up this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.